Hello student, so we are going to learn Pythagoras theorem. So what is the statement? Pythagoras theorem, that is in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So first we will draw the right angle triangle in which one angle will be right angle. So triangle ABC is a right angle at a B. So here in given a right triangle ABC in which angle B equals to 90 degree. Now we have to show that square of hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of other two sides. So hypotenuse square equals to other two side is base square and perpendicular square. Here is 90 degree, so opposite to 90 degree is a hypotenuse, so hypotenuse is AC square. So AC square equals to AB square and BC square. Now we will draw perpendicular from B to D on AC. So draw perpendicular BD perpendicular to the AC. Now we know that if we have drawn one perpendicular from the right angle vertex, so how many triangle forms? There will be three triangles, one this one, and one whole triangle. According to theorem 6.7, if we have drawn one perpendicular from the 90 degree vertex, so these two triangles will be similar to given triangle, that is ABC. Now we can say triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. That means we can write these sides as a proportional, that is sides of triangle ADB is proportional to the side of triangle ABC, and sides side of triangle BDC is proportional to side of ABC. So we are going to utilize this statement. Since BD is perpendicular to AC, now angle B is a right angle, and we have drawn a perpendicular from this vertex, so we can say triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by theorem 6.7. Once they are proportional, so we can write their sides as a once they are similar, so we can write their sides as a proportional. So we can write this side AD is proportional to AB, side AD is proportional to AB, and AB, because they are mutually perpendicular similar, so we can write their sides proportional. So AB upon AC, whatever our requirement here, AB and BC, so we will write in terms of AB and BC, so AB upon AC. Now by the cross multiply, AD into AC equals to AB into AB, that is AB square. Let the equation first. Again this triangle BDC is similar to ABC, so we can write their sides as a proportional. So whatever the left side, that is CD and remaining side is BC, so CD upon BC equals to BC upon AC. Now again we will cross multiply, so we will have CD into S, that is BC into BC, that means BC square. Let the equation second. Now we will add equation first and second, so LHS, that is from here we have AD into AC plus CD into AC equals to AB square plus BC square. Now we will take common here AC and AC, so we have taken common AC, so we have AD plus CD equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AD plus CD distance is AC distance, so in place of AD plus CD we can write AC, so AC into AC equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AC into AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So this is a proof of Pythagoras theorem.